In today's video we're gonna be looking at the Movo DoubleMic Di, so without further ado let's proceed with the unboxing. And that's the whole content of the box. So together with the Movo DoubleMic Di you get two furry windscreens and two foam windscreens and a hard shell case that seems pretty robust. Now at first sight this might seem a bit too large for such a small microphone, but I actually believe all this extra space has a purpose. You can fit inside additional accessories like headphones or cables or whatever you use while vlogging from your phone, so you don't have to carry them around in your pocket. And if you are wondering why would you need headphones for vlogging, I'll get to that later on. And this is the Movo DoubleMic Di. The microphone itself is really easy to use, really straightforward. You do get a user manual with it, but unless you're looking for some technical specs like frequency response or bitrate or any of that nerdy stuff, you probably won't be needing this. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the features of this microphone. The Movo DoubleMic Di has two capsules with a cardioid polar pattern placed on each side of it, hence it's called double mic. On top of it there is a 3-position dial that allows you to select between the front capsule, the front and the rear capsule, or just the rear capsule. The MFI certificated lightning connector allows you to plug in your Movo DoubleMic Di straight into your iPhone or iPad without the need for additional accessories like adapters, power cables or batteries. Another switch allows you to adjust the gain level of the microphone, so if you are not happy with the quality of your sound you can increase or decrease your signal strength by plus or minus 5 decibels. And finally there is a 3.5mm headphone jack socket which allows you to monitor the quality of your sound in real time. The build quality seems really great, but obviously no one is going to pay nearly $100 for the way a microphone is built. So I'm going to run a few quick audio tests and see how it stands against the built-in microphone from an iPhone XR. Since the Movo DoubleMic Di is meant mainly for vlogging, I'm not really sure what vloggers do. So here I am in my back garden recording with my iPhone XR and the built-in microphone, and this is what it sounds like. Now I've just connected the Movo DoubleMic to my iPhone and this is what it sounds like with the front and the rear capsule engaged. And this is what the front capsule only sounds like while holding the mic at around 50 centimeters away from me. There's not that much ambient noise, so I'm just using the foam windscreens right now. But I want to take this test a bit further and find out how it sounds like in windy conditions. So here I am driving with the windows down, which should create that windy effect. I am recording right now with the built-in microphone of my iPhone XR, and this is how it sounds like. The Movo DoubleMic Di is now connected, and this time I'm also using the furry windscreens. So this is what the mic sounds like with the front and the rear capsule switched on. And this is how the Movo DoubleMic sounds like with the front capsule only facing towards me. It's quite noisy in the car and I'm not really sure how this will turn out. Alright, so I've just checked this video and the sound quality doesn't seem that great. So I wanted to give it another try with the gain level decreased to minus 5 decibels. And this is what the mic sounds like after modifying its settings. Okay, so I've just watched all the videos I recorded right now, and even with the gain level decreased to -5 decibels, the quality of the sound is just not as good as I was expecting. And I believe there are two reasons why this is happening. First of all, the gain level of the Apple's native camera app is way too high. So in order to make good use of this microphone, you should record with some app that allows you to decrease the gain level lower than -5 decibels. The second reason why the sound quality is not that good, I believe, is because of these tiny furry windshields, which do not offer enough protection. The fur material should be slightly longer in order to prevent the air friction next to the microphone's capsule. Now, I know this mic was built mainly for vlogging, for outdoor activities and things like that, but I don't see why you couldn't use this as a regular studio microphone. So I wanted to take a quick last test in the room where I normally record my videos, and this is what the built-in microphone from my iPhone sounds like. I am recording right now using the Movo's DoubleMic front capsule only, with the microphone placed at 30 centimeters away from me, and this is what it sounds like. Now, to make a quick recap, I like this microphone for its simplicity, for its ease of use. The double cardioid capsule makes it ideal for multiple use cases. So for example, if you are recording an interview, you can use both the front and the rear capsule. If you want to capture some outdoor footage, you can use the rear capsule. Or if you want to record yourself while speaking, you can just use the front capsule only. The MFI certificated lightning connector allows you to plug in your Movo DoubleMic straight into your iPhone or iPad without the need for additional accessories like adapters, power cables or batteries. Like for example, I still use an iPhone to record most of my videos. So if you're like me, you can turn your setup from something that looks like this into something that looks like this, which is more tidy, easier to set up and with less cables in the way. But my favorite feature has to be this 3.5mm headphone jack socket, which allows you to monitor the quality of your sound in real time, so you don't have to record and play every video all the time to see how it sounds. There are, however, a few things that I don't like that much, like these tiny furry windscreens, for example. From my experience with other microphones, I know that the fur material should be somewhere from 3 to 4 centimeters or longer in order to create less air friction near the mic capsule. And these ones, I believe they are just not suitable. They don't do the job they were meant to do. And the price, it seems a bit too high. It just doesn't provide enough value for me to want to spend nearly $100 for this microphone when there are cheaper alternatives out there. So Movo, if you are watching this, sort it out. Overall, I do like this microphone and I truly believe it's worth buying as long as they fix these furry windscreens and lower the price tag. If you are looking to buy this microphone, I'll leave a link in the description below. I am an Amazon associate, which means I get to earn a tiny commission from that sale. So if you're planning to purchase one, please do it from there. You get the mic at no extra cost while showing your support for this channel. If you are, however, interested in USB studio mics, check out the next video where I review what I believe is the best USB microphone on a budget.